In this video, we will show how to upload photos to Flickr and how to create an album. We go to flickr.com, as you can see on the top of the screen. We log in with our Yahoo email, username, and password. So we put our username here. Our password. Sign in. This screen is kind of a general screen for people who have no personal photos on Flickr. But we're going to add photos now. How do we add photos? Well, in the upper right area, you see a little white image. They think that's a cloud, an up arrow, and the word upload. We're going to click that. In the next screen, has an icon that says choose photos and videos to upload. We're not going to upload videos to Flickr, even though that is possible, because there's a limitation of time. We're going to upload photos. We click here, and it's sending you to your computer. I personally install all my photos on an external drive, so let's look at the external drive. It's called Simple Drive there. And we'll go down to Photos, and we'll just choose a year. I basically catalog everything by year. So let's just choose a fairly old one. See, car show. And let's expand that a little bit. We don't want to add a lot of photos, but we'll just add several as an illustration. On my Windows computer, if I press the Control key and I use the left mouse, I can highlight a photo that I want, or I can just add them all. So we'll take those 3 photos, click Open, and they appear on the screen. Now let's say you added a photo here and you said, well, I didn't really want to add it. It is possible to delete the photo at this time before uploading. You can delete the photo after uploading as you wish. The upper right, click Upload. Click Upload again. Depending on the number of photos and the file size and your internet speed, it could take up to 10 minutes, so don't be surprised. Now my 3 photos are showing here, but we want to put them into an album. What really makes Flickr work are albums and collections. We're going to work on an album. We're going to create an album, maybe 2. So on the upper left, click U, or put your mouse on U, and it says Organize. Let's pull this up a little bit so you can see the bottom of the screen. See, those are the photos that I uploaded. And where it says right here, if you're with me, it says add to an album or create a new album. We're going to create a new album. This screen you'll be using every time you want to make an album. It's very, very flexible. It says new album there, but we're just going to change the title to Cars. If I remember the year, I think it was 2003. Though that text and the description below, if you wanted to type something in, you can change at any time. Now, the first photo that we add to the album is going to show as the cover of the album. So let's take the, looks like a Mercedes, looks like this one, and that one. Okay. If we had, typically my albums are anywhere from 10 to 30 photos. So this entire area is filled with photos. You can rearrange these if you want. And you can rearrange them at any time. Pull up the album. So we're going to click Save. So that is our, and it says album's not in a collection because we only have, we haven't made a collection yet. But now let's say, well, we want to create another album. So we do this again, follow the procedure. Let's go to 2000, let's look at Nashville. Very interesting place. This is the Grand Ole Opry, so let's put that as a photo. Some buildings. Click Open. Upload. Upload again. These files are fairly small, so they're uploading very quick. Okay? Now we know where to go. We go up to the U. We want to organize. We could add to an existing album, or we can create a new one. And this is now the name is Nashville. And I like the Grand Ole Opry. Very interesting place. Not sure what these buildings are, but we can also add a description of the of what it is. If I'll show you that in a minute. And that's a part of the Grand Ole Opry. If you want to add a description, just click on the photo, and you can add Grand Ole Opry. Save. You can do that at any time. We're going to click Save, and now we have two albums. We click here on Albums on the front. Now it's displaying the albums.